In the rest of this Getting Started series, we'll be simulating a chain containing a CW source, an LNA, and a low pass filter. And in order to do that, we are going to start by extracting their models in our application device modeler. But before doing that, I'm going to introduce you to the different devices and models we have here. First of all, we have the antenna model. Then we have the high power amplifier model. Then the model of a limiter, a low noise amplifier, then a multi-function chip model, and we can take as an example for this model a digital phase shifter. Then we have the mixer model, and finally the models extracted from S parameter files, linear models.